Hi everyone, this is Kate from The Drop-In, or you might recognize me from some after-school programs. So today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to make some crafts from recycled materials. Today we're going to be learning about how to make a robot from recycled materials. You don't need anything much, just some things from your recycling bin or some craft supplies you might have around the house. So let's talk about the recyclable materials we're going to use. So I just went into my recycling bin and pulled out some stuff. That was clean, of course. So I've got some cardboard boxes that have pasta in it, old containers. So after you've picked out all of your materials and you have your craft station set up, the first thing you're gonna do is sketch out your robot. Here's my little sketch of my robot. I just imagined how the things that I had on my table would work out in robot form. It doesn't have to be fancy, it can be as simple as you like. It might even be a good idea to name your robot. And once you have your sketch done, you can start building. So the first thing I've done when I started building was decide my major body parts. So for the square that makes up the most of the body, I picked a pasta box and I taped the front shut so it's nice and sturdy. Then I decided on my arms and legs, which I knew were going to be part of my bigger egg carton. Okay, so before I start putting my robot together, I'm going to actually cover this box in paper to make it look nicer. So to do that, I picked a blue piece of paper and now I'm going to trace it. So the next thing I'm doing is painting my egg carton arms and legs with some metallic gray paint. If you have paint at home, you can use any color you want. I've used another egg carton container to pour my paint into. When you're doing this, make sure you have paper or a cover over the space you're working on and some water to dip your paintbrush into too. So for this part, I'm using a glue gun. You don't have to, you can just use white glue if you like. You just need to give it a little bit more time to dry. So I'm doing one at a time. So for the arm, I'm going to show you how to do this with tape, just in case you don't have glue or a glue gun at home. So you just put the tape here, choose where you want your arm to go, and then pat the tape down like that. And then you just do the same on the other side. For the head of my robot, I just took a little piece of paper, folded another smaller piece, and glued it here, and I took these little felt pieces to make my eyes and my mouth. And what I'm going to do is put some glue around the edges here and put on his little helmet. Now I have the bases of my robot. He's got his arm, his legs, and his little helmet and his head. So now I'm going to decorate the robot using some shiny paper that I found and a little bit of string. And there you have it. Here is my awesome robot made from just some egg cartons, paint, a pasta box, and a food container, and then some paper and odds and ends. Your robot might look like mine, or it might look totally different. It's up to you. Be as creative as possible. So that's all for today. Tune in next time for more recycled material crafts. Oh, and don't forget to give your robot a story.